Hi everyone! Today we're unboxing the Motorola Solutions CP100d portable two-way radio. This radio is easy to use and durable, making it a great choice for a variety of verticals. Hi, I'm Holly Smith, Order Management Specialist with Wireless Solutions. Let's dive right in and see what's inside the box of a CP100d. First, we have the user manual and warranty information. It's always a good idea to read through these to understand the full capabilities of your device. Next, we have the CP100d radio itself. Here is the lithium battery, which will be attaching to the radio shortly. We also have a drop-in charger kit and a power adapter, and this is where you'll be charging your radio. And finally, we have the belt clip and the antenna. Let's put the radio together. First, attach the antenna by screwing it into the top of the radio. Next, we'll attach the battery pack. You slide it into place like this until you hear it click. Finally, we'll clip on the belt clip to the back of the radio for easy carrying. The CP100d feels sturdy and well built, typical of Motorola Solutions quality. Because the radio is versatile, lightweight, and durable, it makes it a great choice for construction sites, manufacturing and industrial plants, education, hospitality, and event management. It has excellent audio quality and comes in both digital and analog models, making it easy to upgrade old radios. The CP100d has 3 display models. It has non-display, limited display, and full keypad display. That's our unboxing of the Motorola Solutions CP100d portable two-way radio. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching.